Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's video, it's a patio makeover. I'm super excited that I got another quarantine project done. Today's video is sponsored by Best Choice Products. Here's the before of our patio space. We needed to tackle this old fence, and after reaching out to a couple of fence companies here in New York, it was just out of our budget to do it. So we decided to DIY it. We went to Home Depot and got all the supplies that we needed to build a new fence, and it was fairly easy. My husband and his brother did it together. I helped here and there, but they did most of the work. It was super easy to do based on their feedback. So I will link everything down below that we used to create this fence in case you guys are interested. For this fence DIY, we spent about $500 to update the space. We used about 3 vinyl panels. So everything came with the supplies on this $500 budget compared to paying a company $2,500 to come and do it. When the fence was done, it was time to pressure wash and then of course unbox all my Best Choice products. So here's my husband and my brother helping me out. Everything came nicely packed, you guys. The assembly process of the furniture was very easy, especially because the manual made it super easy and clear to understand. I also decided to arrange all my pieces by letter, as you can see here. That's a little tip for you when you're building furniture like this. And yeah, you just start grabbing and reading your manual. Super easy. And look at Jaden, guys. He was straight up chilling on a hot day here in New York. So the next day after we built all of our furniture, it was time to decorate the space, and this is my favorite part. You guys know this. This modular sectional, it's amazing because you can set it up so many different ways. Obviously, you have to set it up the way that works for you. I found that this setup works best for my space.
With the lights on, if you're gonna be moving on solo, wait a second, cause they're playing the best song. I'll be there if you...
So the sectional came with 2 decorative pillows, but I decided to add my own pillows, and here I ordered covers from Amazon. And you guys, I'm obsessed with the way this space turned out. I wanted a neutral space, and that's exactly what I got. I love the pop of black in here as well. The 7-piece modular sectional comes in 6 different colors. I have the black and tan. I love this fire pit, not only because it's a fire pit and it brings coziness, but because of the table height. It makes it super easy for us to eat here, have our drinks here, and entertain. This is the LED solar umbrella, you guys. This brings shades, and at night it looks so beautiful light up. I'm going to put a little clip here so you guys can see it. This is also from Best Choice Products. If you're in the market for outdoor furniture, check the description box. I'm going to be linking everything down below, including this special code that I got from Best Choice Products. I totally recommend you check their website out. They have a great selection of furniture at a very affordable prices. These pillow covers that you see here, the quality is amazing, you guys, and you won't believe the prices. I found all of these on Amazon. This beautiful throw here that you see is from Target. It was about $19.99. The rug is also from Amazon. The rug size that I got for the area was 6x9, and it's made out of this plastic material that is perfect for outdoors. This is how the space looks at night, which is my favorite time to enjoy it. Honestly, it just looks so cozy, so romantic with the lights. I decided to add this light, the string lights that you see on the fence. I got those at Home Depot. It's just a different vibe right now in my backyard. I am loving it. Guys, that was it for today's video. Special thanks to Best Choice Products for sponsoring today's video. Don't forget to let me know down in the comments what was your favorite part of this patio transformation. Don't forget to give me a like and subscribe if you're not part of the family. I will see you all on the next video. God bless.
And every moment counts, baby, I don't wanna miss a thing. We can sleep under the stars, we can sleep under the stars, or hang out in hotel bars, driving somewhere in your car. We can sleep under the stars, we can sleep under the stars.